Hello YouTube, welcome to another retro unboxing video. Today we're gonna unbox the AMD Radeon HD 7990, AMD's flagship card back in 2013, and found it a good deal on it, and yeah, that's one of the cards that I really want to have in my collection, along with the NVIDIA's GTX 690, which I have on my shelf. So those two cards traded blows back in 2013, and if I remember correctly, I think the 7990 actually was pretty much faster. Well, not much, but a little bit. And thanks for the 3 gig of VRAM, the card has aged a lot better than NVIDIA's, I think it was Kepler. Yeah, has aged a lot better. And AMD dropped the driver support for all the GCN 1.0 cards now in, I think it was in June this year, so no more driver support. So this card has pretty much been obsolete now, or moved to a legacy support. Wow, it's hard to get in this box. Ah. There we go. Ah. What is this? We got some protective foamy like stuff. Gonna move that away. See if it's focused here. We got more tape. Yeah, it's very packed, very good. Oh, just a normal plastic bag it looks like. That's not good. Got a lot of static. The card works according to the seller. He has been using it for mining, so I'm aware of that. So I'm aware of that. And here it is. It's wrapped in a normal plastic bag. I'm not liking that. People, come on. What are you doing? Well, it has a back plate and stuff, so it should be protected that way. And here it is. The Radeon HD 7990. It is a beautiful card, it really is. It's from Gigabyte. So yeah, this is the reference cooler. It is beautiful, it really is. It's a pretty big card as well. So you got the 2 Tahiti XT cores. It's also called Malta. Got the beautiful back plate. PCI Express 16X 3.0. You can see AMD Radeon HD 7990. And actually this car is using the latest drivers, as I said, and it's using AMD's Shadowplay equivalent Relive. So I'm gonna be able to record from the car itself and do some gameplays with it and see how it performs also in, well, see how it performs in older games as well as newer games, and do some benchmarking and see. So I'm gonna upload that later on. So yeah, 2 8-pins, got 4 display ports, 4 mini display ports and 1 DVI. So yeah, that pretty much covers the unboxing video actually of this beautiful HD 7990. Got the very beautiful card. Before I quit this video, I'm gonna do a comparison here between this card and the 690 and the 5970. Yeah, sorry about the shaky video now, but my tripod actually broke the bracket for the mobile holder. So I need to buy a new one. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm gonna compare the 7990, sorry, compared to the 690. So here it is, the 690 compared to the 7990. So these cars were battling each other back in the day. You can see the 7990 is actually pretty much longer than the 690. So yeah. And here is the 5970, the old flagship from 2009, and the 7990 is actually longer, a little bit longer than the old flagship. So yeah, here you got the unboxing video. I'm gonna do some gameplay of this shortly. And it's also gonna be pretty fun to do because I haven't owned an AMD card since the 6970 back in the day. So that's gonna be pretty fun to do. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.